Today I have another package from Oraimo, and it's a neckband. I'm sure you remember this one. This is what I've been using for quite a time, and I really loved the features it comes with. And there is another steel that I bought, neckband, I think light. That one, I didn't like the sound quality, so I decided to get this ones, the one that I've been using. Actually, even right now, they don't have any issue. I so decided to buy another one so that I can give someone this one, or yeah, the ones, it will depend. But then something that prompted me to actually buy this is because there was an offer of I buy one, the neckband, it's inside here, and I get a power bank. So let's get to see what they packed inside here. From Oraimo, Kenya. So this is a power bank, which is a gift. We're going to open it later. But then I'm interested in this one. And the first thing you notice is the specs, which they've indicated here. The glare is so huge here, it's so big, you can't read the things inside there. So the packaging is similar. I don't know what happened to this. I think it's during the shipment. Similar, everything like apart from some details here and there. And yeah, that's... But before you do anything, let's first of all remove this. And we have it here. So the thing that prompted me to buy this one is because of this. It was coming like you buy this and then you get this as a gift. There were several more. By the time I was buying them, the offer was, I think I had 4 hours, like 4 hours to the end of the offer. So that's why I actually got prompted to buy, because I need them both. But this one will be a gift to someone. Now, today I don't want actually so many stories. Let's just go directly into opening the package and see what we have inside. And yeah, yes. Nothing inside that I can go aside. And this is how it looks. Those are the earphones, but let's get to see what we have in this ones. A very tiny and small Type C. Let me see if it will focus. So this is type A to type C. It's a very short one. I don't think this is ideal. It should be longer because sometimes you want to charge it when you're still using it. So I think the best thing would be just to have a longer one. And like this one, maybe they are cutting the cost. Here you have the rubbers, the spare ones for your ears. So let's see what we have inside here. Also there are pairs. So these are the large ones, and then you have the smaller ones. I think the ones that we have here are the medium sized. I'll get to see them in a few. So yeah, because this one I prefer keeping them, because sometimes you would find maybe you want to gift someone, but then they want the large one, so maybe their ear canal is a little bit smaller, so it's good to keep them. The usual manual tell you about the product and all that. So nothing important. And let's get to see whether you have anything here. No. I see, for example, here. Oh, this is just for decoration. There's nothing else here. So we are done, I think, with that. So the only thing that I'm left with is this one here, which is the main thing, which is why we are here. And yes, so today is just unboxing. I don't think we have anything here. The packaging is so good. Apart from this plastic, everything else here is made up of paper, which is recyclable. This one is plastic, I'm sure. Yeah, this is plastic, which is something... Maybe they might change this in the future, so I'm not interested in that one now. I'm interested in this one now, the difference between them. Now, if you look at them, this one, I don't know if you can see the difference between them. Just try to see the difference. They're actually a big difference, because if you look at the size of this one, this is a little bit bulkier. And if you look at the buttons, they're all similar. So I'm thinking that they all do the same thing. But I like the fact that this is almost totally dark, totally black. There is another version. You can check in on the website. So the same thing, they have a microphone here, which you can use to receive the calls. This is the old ones, and let's just get them out of space so that you don't get to be confused. Similar to these ones, they are magnetic. You remember these ones, and actually they have a smart switch whereby if they are apart, then it goes on. If they are together like that, then it goes off. I'm hoping it's the same thing that's here, if not better, because this is a pro version of that other one there. So this is a pro. So I'm assuming that I should get even better specs for the same. So they are apart, and I'm sure you can, I'm not sure whether you can see, there is something blinking there, meaning that it's Bluetooth and it's in pairing mode. That's why it's blinking like that. So if I want them off, same thing, and it goes off. So that's one of the very good features I really love about them. Anyway, that one aside, so you're benefiting from several things, yeah? Only these three. You have your Neckband Pro, and then you have this Type C, Type A to Type C charging cable. Actually, there's no brick, so there is no adapter to charge it. So you can use any that you have maybe from your phone. And then you have the spare rubbers for your ears. So that's the only thing that you're getting. And then a big box that is well packaged, and a plastic there, which I don't actually like, and some manual switch I'm sure you're not going to use actually. So yeah, let's go to the power bank. And the power bank, this is 10,000 milliamperes, and yeah, two-way Type C, smart fast charge. And some features, I don't know whether the glare will let you read anything there. Let me see, there is nothing. Is there an angle that you can be able to read? I'm not sure. So the back here, I'm sure you can see some, but instead of just staying here waiting for you to read, why can't we just open and see that for ourselves? And I'm sure this is a gift for someone, but I'm still opening it. I like opening gifts. I don't know why. So actually gifts, packages in general. Open up. So this is the one. What kind of green is this? I'm not sure what to call this. I think it's jungle green. I'm not sure. But this is the interface. So you have the normal USB Type A, another one here. So there are two. I don't know, so there are outputs. And also you can see inside here, this is micro USB. I don't know whether I have that one here. No. Oh, I'm charging the camera with that. So there is a Type C here, which is a good thing to see, or else nothing else. At the bottom here, some information about the capacity and the kind of power that you give. I think this is important. I don't know whether it will focus. Try to focus. Yeah, that's the information. Don't know. Yay. Try to focus. So that's the information we have at the back there. Yeah, I think it's an important kind of information. And on the sides here, 10,000 milliampere, that's the capacity. And maybe they have something inside here. Be careful not to destroy this one. Similar kind of cable, a tiny one, a small one. So this one is a Type C, Type A to Type C for charging this one. So I'm sure you can still use the same to charge your phone. So what I'm thinking is you just plug it there and then you charge. Or you can just do the reverse. You plug it in and then you get your phone and then you charge it. So if you have this one, so it's actually charging. And the good thing is you can see fast charging. I really love that one. And yeah, I don't know whether both of them are fast charging kinds. No, that one is not a fast charging port. So you have one here, and I'm thinking it's around, I think, 75% full. So I'll charge it, and yeah, I think that's it. That was a gift that was given, and I'll gift someone out. So that's interesting. So I'll use my Neckband Pro, and I'll make a review about them in a future video. I also have something else that I need to make a video about, the one that I bought the other day. I bought a hair clipper still from Oraimo, and I'm using it so that I'll make a detailed review on the same. So the same thing will go to the neckband. I'll use it and then I'll come and yeah, get to tell you what it does and what it doesn't, so a review, but that will come later after I use it for like a month or two, so that I get to know exactly what they offer. Anyway, thank you for watching that video. It was a short one, it was just an unboxing video, and see you in the next one.